Hi guys, it's Rinke here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is another video on my series on navigating Nigerian food in Canada. So today I want to speak specifically to like other ethnic grocery stores that you might want to explore and what you will typically find. So I'm like an explorer of other ethnic grocery stores. I think, when I was in university, it actually used to be like an excursion for me, going to the Asian market or the Indian shop to go see what they have, what is similar in terms of ingredient application. They have, if you go to the Indian store, they have things like pig milk, they have nido. They're not sourced from Nigeria. They usually source from India, but again, if you're looking for milk powder, that's an option to explore. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about things that I would typically buy, especially from the Asian market. So here are some things that you might not know you'll be able to find at the Asian markets, right? Let's start with vegetables. Vegetables, if you're looking for garden egg, you'll find the green kind of garden egg at the Asian market. If you're looking for fresh ewedu or jute leaf, you will find fresh ewedu at the Asian market. If you're looking for a vegetable that we have in Nigeria, Yoruba people call it amunututu. It is Malabar spinach, and it is like a mucilagous spinach. It's used in for soups primarily. You will find it at the Asian market. If you're looking for Nigerian style sweet potatoes, you will find at the Asian market. If you're looking for cocoyam, the small one or the big one, you will find at the Asian market. If you're looking for sugarcane, you'll find sugarcane at the Asian market. What else? If you're looking for mangoes, you'll find good mangoes at the Asian market if mangoes are in season usually. And then there's a vegetable that is kind of similar to a foshoko, but it's longer, it's broader. I think it's called water spinach. In Asian cooking, it's a good substitute for a foshoko, and you'll find it at the Asian market. Efo tete, most times you'll find fresh efo tete at the Asian market. So if you're looking for efo tete, it's usually expensive, but you'll find it at the Asian market. So those are kind of like the core vegetables and fruits that you find in your Asian market. Other things that you'll find at your local Asian market: Titus fish, aka mackerel, you will find at the Asian market. Horse mackerel, aka kote, you'll find at the Asian market. Usually you might find shawa or herring at the Asian market. You might also find smoked fish, but one thing you want to be conscious about when buying smoked fish from the Asian market is that it is often cured in salt. So don't just buy smoked fish and go and add it into your soup. It might end in tears. So if you're buying smoked fish from the Asian market, you want to soak it in water and you want to taste it before you use it, because I don't buy smoked fish from the Asian market. I just find it to be too salty, but that's definitely an option to explore. You will find catfish in the Asian market. So there are definitely different kinds of catfish. The one that tastes closer to Nigerian catfish is one called yellow catfish. So usually if you buy catfish here, it's usually without the head, so you will not find the head usually, but it's sold frozen, and it's called yellow catfish, and you'll find it at the Asian market. What else? If you're looking for Indomie noodles, you'll find Indomie noodles at the Asian market. It does not taste like Niger Indomie for sure, 100%, but it takes some getting used to. But once you get used to it, I used to think it didn't taste good. Now I can't do the Nigerian Indomie because I just find it too salty. But you find Indomie at the Asian market, and typically they have a core flavor that they use. It's called me grogri or something funny like that. But they will typically have like chicken or special chicken or things like that. So you just ask them. What else? You find prawn crackers at the Asian market. You will find tapiko. I love that sweet. So you find it at the Asian market. Sometimes you find milk powder at the Asian market. So you have, most of them carry nido, not pig milk, but you find usually you'll find milk powder at the Asian market. And then did I say sugar cane? Yeah, sometimes you find sugar cane at the Asian market. So the Asian market is actually a really good place to explore if you're looking for Nigerian style food substitutes that you can easily buy, especially if you do not have a Nigerian store where you are. So yeah, that is that, guys. I hope you found that helpful. All right, bye.